Assalamu alaikum viewers, I'm Ahmed and you are watching my YouTube channel Max Experience. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook poll. To create a Facebook poll, you need to open the official app of Facebook. Before to create a poll, you need to remember one thing. A Facebook poll only made for groups, not for pages or for your personal profiles. To create a poll, you need to click on the horizontal line top of the right corner here and just click on groups. Open the groups which you want to create a poll. So I'm just clicking here and you will see here write something. So click on this and just scroll off the menu and you will see the poll option here. And now in the poll options you are asked questions like which is your favorite player in crickets or football or other things, which your best actress or best actor in film industries or dramas. So you can ask a different questions here. So ask the questions here, who is your best player in cricket? Simply that. And now you are just click on option 1, Babar Azam. Click on second options, Virat Kohli. If you want to add other options, third options, so you just click on add options and just option 3, click on option 3 and add Mohammad Rizwan. Just click on post. Okay, now you can see the poll option here in this group. So this is the simply method how to create poll in Facebook. I hope you will understand, and Allah Hafiz.